What's up, everybody? Well, my YouTube channel is getting quite a bit bigger quite quickly, so I have grown quite tired of using my phone's 4K video recording. It's not that the video looks bad or anything, or the audio sounds bad or anything, it's just it's limited to 5 minutes, and if you do it multiple times in a row, the phone will overheat, and I actually like my OnePlus 8 Pro, and I don't want it to break, so I'm tired of it overheating, so I bought this guy. It's a DJI Pocket 2, and I went with the Creator Combo for obvious reasons. If I'm starting to make this YouTube channel more successful, I gotta get a little bit more professional equipment, right? There we go. We've got it out of the box, or out of the wrapper. Now if I had to guess, I'd guess this pops up. No? Oh, nope. Haha, there we go. Glad I didn't try too hard. Alright, so what do we got first? Okay, first thing in the package, if it'll come out. Alright, we've got the camera in its little carrying case. We'll just set that off to the side real quick and just see what else we get in here. They even give you a little handle to grab, that's cool. Alright, what do we have? Alright, quickly going everything that comes in that little white box. You've got a little wrist strap here. You've got a little, I think they call this a dead cat, for like a windbreaker for your mic. Then you get a little adapter that connects to the thing so you can connect it to your Android phone with USB-C here. And then for iPhones, they've come with this little lightning adapter. It's basically the same thing, only it's for iPhone instead. Then you get this cool little wide angle lens. It's magnetic. And I've already managed to get a cat hair on it. And then last but not least, you get this cool USB to dual USB-C, so you can probably charge both the camera and the wireless mic, which we haven't unboxed yet. So let's see what else we get in here. Okay, the next thing in the box is this DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo Guide. Just basically has all this stuff. Here's a Creator Combo. You've got some stickers. Alright, we'll just set that over to the side, and then you are greeted with this at the bottom. So let's pull these out and go over what they are. Oops, almost forgot. This little guy also comes in that first white box. This is a little control for the gimbal. I think that's what it's called. I'm still learning all these fancy camera terms, so excuse me if I mispronounce some stuff. Okay, first thing that comes in that box, or at the bottom of the box, is this little mini tripod. Just folds out like that. You can set your thing down. Obviously I've got better tripods than this, but it's still cool for people that don't. Then we've got a little adapter so you can hook this up to the tripod, basically. So that's cool. Alright, then you get this cool little wireless mic Bluetooth adapter, which is going to be pretty cool. And then you can attach this to the top of that. There's some little clips that hold it into place. And then last but not least, you have the dual everything handle, which I think this adds Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it gives you a spot again to put the tripod. And then it replaces, or it puts the USB-C to charge the thing at the back, because obviously it uses it to attach itself to it. So let's take a look at the star of the show, shall we? Okay, a quick look at the carrying case. Pretty nice little carrying case. It comes with a little spot up here to put your wide angle lens and the attachment and a couple attachments. Keeps your thing very safe. It's got cushioning up here to keep everything all safe. Okay, and here's the DJI Camera 2. Peel off some of these stickers. Very carefully. And then last but not least, take that guy out of there, that. And then last but not least, take off the little protective camera cover. And there you go, now you can take a look at the camera. And that thing is set. Alright. That's your power button right there, according to the sticker. I like how it just says stickers. You've got a microphone here, here, and here. So it's got 4 mics. That's pretty cool. I'm assuming this is the record button. This is that little, it's that little spot where you'd put all those little accessories. I like how it has a little door though to keep that thing protected when you're not using them. There's the USB-C connector where you'll charge it and attach all your accessories. And then you've got your SD card slot on the side there. But alright, let's turn it on. Okay, we're going to power her on for the first time. Oh, that's cool. It actually moves it around. Alright, well, we are English. Device now activated. Connect to the DJI Mimo. So, I guess now I've got to go use this camera. My camera has an actual phone, go download an app, and then we'll come back when it's all set up. Well, alrighty, I plugged it into my phone. It had me put the SD card, or first I put the SD card in, had me hook it up to my phone. It did some firmware updates. You have to sign up for an account and everything like that. Then it'll activate this thing. And then after that, you can attach all your attachments. So I got my little wireless microphone, which I probably won't use too awful much, but it'll be useful for certain things. But then I hooked up the little gimbal control thing. I still can't really remember what the heck that thing's pronounced, but let's just turn it on real quick. See? Now it's looking at us. Hello. And then if you hit this button twice, it'll recenter. 3 times will make it flip, which is the way I'm always going to use it. I also hooked up the everything handle, which has a little speaker, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and everything. That's actually how this thing connects right here. But I'm very excited to get using this thing. Obviously, this isn't supposed to be a review, so I'm not going to show you everything it can do. Also gives you a mic port right there. But alright. And then if you want to turn it off, you just hold down the power button. The little thing goes back like that. And then if you want to make sure it's all safe, just gently put it back into its little nest. And there you go. It's all good. All safe and protected and ready for travel. And then on the other side here, if you don't have your own tripod like I'm using right now, you can put the little tripod they gave you right there. And yeah, that's about it for this little short unboxing and overview. I think I've gone over pretty much everything. I couldn't show you the cell phone part, unfortunately, because I'm using the cell phone right here to record this video for you guys. Anyway, though, I'm very excited to get making videos with this thing. It's going to be so much better to not have my phone overheating all the time, and yeah, just so much nicer. And not have it be limited to 5 minutes of video either. Anyway, though, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next one, peace out, guys.